Hey everyone, are you experiencing slow loading times, buffering, or lag while watching YouTube on Firefox? You are not alone. This can be frustrating, especially when we just want to watch movies or uninterrupted videos. The good news is that there are several simple tweaks we can make to improve YouTube performance on Firefox today. We will show you how to make YouTube run faster and smoother while using Firefox. The purpose of optimizing YouTube on Firefox is to improve video playback, reduce buffering, and create a smoother viewing experience by adjusting browser settings, managing extensions, and keeping Firefox up to date. By doing this, we can reduce lag and make better use of our system resources. Improving performance also helps prevent videos from stuttering, improves load times, and ensures we get the best possible quality without constant interruptions, especially on slower internet connections or older devices. Now, first, we will all open our browser, our Firefox browser. Just open your profile and go to Future. If you are experiencing slow loading in Firefox, there are several ways to boost it. First, let's go to Settings. Under the Settings, you can see Firefox Updates. Here, you can check if your Firefox is up to date. If it is not up to date, you can check for updates. Click this. Once it is up to date, that's good. Next, we proceed to clearing the cache. To clear the cache, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and clear browsing data. Here, you will remove some cookies, signed in data, temporary cache files, and pages. This will free up some memory and help your browser run smoother and faster. Once you're done, just click Clear. Another option is to get some extensions. To do this, go to the lower left part and install some extensions. You can add extensions like Internet Download Manager or Internet Video Professional. Installing these extensions can help your browser run faster. The last option is to check your internet connection. We should reset our internet connection by going to the modem and resetting it to defaults, or simply reset it. Now, you should see a difference in your internet connection. It will be faster because it has been refreshed. With these simple changes, we can enjoy smoother video playback and faster loading times on YouTube. Remember to keep your browser updated, manage your extensions, and adjust playback settings for the best results.